Hi you, this is Leha Dhotre. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul video. So last Sunday I visited Kora Mall located in Thane, wherein I shop mainly from two brands, which is Bata and Trends. And today I will be showing all the stuff that I got from both the brands. By the way, both the brands had sale going on, so that's why I shopped this much. And I will be telling you at what cost did I bought the item and what is the size. And if I find the links of any of the products shown in the video, I'll make sure to add the drinks, add the drinks. I'll make sure to add the links in the description box below. So without any further chapat, let's just start with the video. So the first top is the one I'm wearing right now. This top has flared sleeves and it is giving like kind of a traditional vibe. It is cute. And I bought this top and one more top. Both the tops costed me 900 rupees. So each top is about 450 rupees. Okay, so next we have this one. This is a top and it also can be used as a jacket. This has a tie-up thing, so it gives that balloon effect. And I like the top because it is a bit oversized. It gives a safari look, and yes, I didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I just bought it. So these two tops costed me 900. Now the next one. Okay, so again there was buy one get one offer, so I bought this black shirt. I'll be showing the try on here. So I bought this black shirt. It has a balloon sleeve, so it is kind of formal wear, but it also has a touch of cuteness. And this collar also has some frills. So this is kind of giving a Korean top vibe because of this ruffled sleeves and this collar. So yes, next, and the second top is this beaded one. So I bought this two tops for 800 rupees, so each top costed me 400 rupees, and I got it from for 400. Also I bought this top from the kids section and look at its sleeves. It's like giving tail of a fish vibes. So yeah, next up. Okay, so next up is this blue top which I bought for original price, and it says LA brunch. So I'm the person who just skips breakfast and I just have brunch instead of breakfast and lunch. Next we have this top which says sweet serenity in my soft girl era. Also, this is so cute, and also the reason for buying this is this top matches exactly with the denim I'm wearing right now. This one is priced at 400, and even this one is priced at 400 rupees. Okay, next I bought two night suits for 700, costing me 350 each. So first is a brand collaboration with Disney. So it has this Stitch picture in the front, and look at the sleeves. The sleeves has some waviness, and yes, this is basically not like normal top, so I got this top and with this pant. It also has stitch figures printed on it. So this was one night suit. Second one is this pink one. Again, the sleeves and the bottom part, and this is the pant. By the way, this is not a set. I did not see this while purchasing it, but now I don't have any power to go back and to return or exchange this, so I'm just going to keep it. Okay, so next I bought two jeans, and these are the most comfiest jeans. These are straight fit jeans from the brands Kraus jeans. And this one I got for, I guess, just 1,100. So even like they had 50% off even on jeans. So this is the first jeans, and the other one is what I'm wearing right now. So this one has like a glitter thing going on. It's good for wearing it at parties. Okay, so the next brand from where I shopped is Bata. So even they had a sale going on. If we bought one pair of shoes, they were going to give 30% off. If we bought two pairs of shoes, they were giving 40% off. And for three pairs of shoes, they were giving 50% off. So obviously we bought three shoes, two for me and one for my brother. So the first one are these cutesy shoes which I'm wearing in the video, and I bought them because yes, I just love the combination of the shoes. It's kind of giving like a candy floss vibes, blue and pink. I just love this one. Okay, so the second pair are these heels, which have pretty basic color, so they will go on every kind of outfit. And the last pair are these shoes, which my brother bought. And yes, this was it for the haul video. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye bye.